Home from vacation PR haul. What do we get? We got from Dibs. We've got some new little contour and blush sticks from Dibs. Super cute. I'm really excited about this. I did get this for myself. This is the Dermatology. This is their new shower oil and the retinol body lotion. Everyone's been raving about this retinol body lotion. So we'll use this tomorrow when we shower because obviously I've just already showered. I love these, the Vag probiotics. These probiotics for the postmenopausal women out there, I think these are a game changer. Moisturizer. Oh, Jesus Christ. I just broke it. But it didn't break. Okay. We're good. Okay. I'm not good. Clearly I'm not good at these unboxings. Size the, for AM and PM, just their Hydro Sculpt moisturizer. More to come on that. The big e.l.f. lipstick, Glow Reviver lipsticks, and we got every color. Colors are great. They're super moisturizing on the lips. Love these. Thanks, e.l.f. Here it is. I didn't even open it without you. Michaela POV sent over the Snatch It her PDRN. Love the packaging, and I can't wait to try this. Sulfate-free iron sleek coat for the hair, and I'm going to use this today. Can't wait. Well, I'll do my hair sleek, but while my hair is wet, I want to spray this in. So we're going to spray it liberally, and then we're going to do a big, like, bouncy. Oh my God, it smells. Holy crap. That smells really good. Wow. So L'Oreal Iron Sleek Coat Treatment, Anti-Frizz, Transformation, Water Resistant Styler. Little PR from Smashbox, The Art of Face Shaping. Oh, we look like we got a couple sticks here, and then we also got, and then this is the powder. So we'll do a contour video with this little set that they sent over. This is from Murad, and this is their new cleansing, lightly enriched double cleansing balm. And I love a double cleanse. I love a cleansing balm. How does this, oh wait, Murad. Oh, I don't want to waste. But anyway, you push down and I don't want to waste it. Something else I'm super excited about is from Elm. This is Martha Stewart's line, and she sent over, this is their night cream and their serum. I do use the serum. I have it in my bathroom, and so I'm super excited about the night cream. So that's from Martha. Thanks, Martha. That's what we got. That's what I got for you.